Hello ladies and so do you gentlemen, welcome to the 165 channel. In this tutorial we will try to finish our add new student method. It will be similar like previous time, but with small changes. First of all, let's change the type of our method. So it's going to be string. And for now, return just this. Okay. And we are going to need one boolean parent value. And for example, it will have value of true. Okay, and our method will have another parameter, and that's bind result. Okay, binary result, sorry. Never mind. And now we will ask if result has field errors, never mind. In that case, our parent value is going to have value of false. Okay, and now we can ask if student not null and parent value. So if student not null and if parent value has value of true, in that case we will use student service and we will call method as student. So this should be familiar with you. So when a new student will be added, only if student is not null and if parent value has value of true. And now we can say return redirect, and we will add one parent success that will have a value of our parent value. Okay, and now let's get back in our index file. This is our form which helps us to do crude operations. And now I need something like this. So here I will paste it twice. Okay, first time, and this is second time. Okay. And here we will try to catch parent success. Check if it equals true. And here, if it is equal false. So if parent success has value of true, in that case I will make one div element. Okay, and this div element can have class, for example, alert success, and for example parameter align with value center. Okay, and here we can have text, new student added successfully, for example. But if param success has value of false, first of all we need one modal dialog. Okay, here we've got MVC modal dialog. So let me copy this file. Is there option copy? Yes, there is. Copy and paste. Okay. But this time we will call this file SQLException. Okay. Okay. Let's open it. So this time it will have value SQLExceptions. Let me expand it. Let me copy this value and paste here and paste here. Okay, here we can change, for example, wrong student data, and here SQL exception. For example, handler. Never mind. Okay, let's save changes. First of all, we will try to include this file if param success has value of false. We will try to include this SQLException file. So here SQLException. Okay. And now we will try to add some script. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, that's what we need. And here we will try to select our modal dialog, and we will say modal with value show. I think it should be enough. Okay, this should be it. Let's save changes and let's run our application. Okay, let's add the first student, for example, with ID 1, year level, for example, 3, add, new student added successfully. Pay attention that here we have success parameter and it's have value of true. So, ladies and gentlemen, so if param success has value of true, in that case add this div element with class alert success, and with this text. Okay. Let's add new student. For example, Anna, Maria, year level, for example, 1. Add new student added successfully, and again parameter success has value of true. But now we can check our database. Yes, we added new students. And now let's try to add wrong data. For example, student ID, something like this. First name and year level should also be integer, but we will add this. And now if we press add, oh, we have wrong student data. Pay attention, this parameter success has value of false. So this time we have this modal dialog, log student data, SQL exception handler. Okay, and you will see, for example, when we refresh, that new student is not added in our database. We can refresh. But new student is not added because we enter wrong data. If all fields are empty and we press add, we again have this warning, wrong student data. Pay attention in our controller. Then a new student can be added only if student is not null and if parent value has value of true. But here we say if result has field errors, in that case change the value of parent value. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this tutorial, and in the next one we can see that delete button has class danger, and when we wanted to delete student from database, in that case we should have some warning. For example, now when I say delete student with ID 2, when I press delete and refresh, we see that student has been deleted without any warning. But since this is danger operation, we should have some kind of warning that will ask us, are we really sure that we wanted to delete student? So we can change our mind if we press delete by mistake. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.